Hello guys, can you hear me? Everyone please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay guys, good evening to all of you. So in the last session, we discussed the skills required to become SAP FICO or S4HANA consultant. So in the today's session, so we will have clear picture about uh, what are the projects we have, what are the real-time projects we have, and so implementation project is very important. So some insights we will discuss on the implementation project. Okay, types of projects in SAP S4HANA. So how many types of projects in SAP S4HANA? Implementation project, support project, rollout project, upgrade project, conversion project. So these are all projects we can see in real time, and so most of the cases these three are very important projects every time. So you will see these three kinds of projects in SAP, and so most of the requirements come from these projects only, and the duration of these projects are also high comparing to this one. Okay, so implementation project duration almost 2 years to 3 years. Okay, sometimes it's a big project, definitely it will take much time. So maximum 2 years, maximum 3 years, 2 years to 3 years. And support project duration almost 3 years. This is the agreement between the client and consulting company. And rollout project duration 8 months. And rest of the projects are, the duration will be very less comparing to the these three projects. And enhancement projects. Okay, so these are the types of projects in SAP S4HANA. So now we will give you the detailed insights about what is implementation project in the today class, and the next class we will discuss about the support project. Okay, implementation project. Tell me what is implementation project, anyone? What is implementation?
A new project might come, like getting a new project to from the client.
Okay, what is implementation project?
Uh, it's depend on the client requirements. For that, we can prepare the
Mm-hmm.
manual or something.
Depends upon the client request what we need to prepare.
Actually, the client using any legacy of Oracle or some Tally
Mm-hmm.
related, they want to move to the SAP means they will meet some clients to migrate our Oracle to SAP, like new implemented ERP
Mm-hmm.
system like that.
Okay, fine. Okay, what is implementation project? So implementation means client never used SAP earlier. Now he want to switch to SAP first time. Okay, so client wants to use SAP S4HANA first time. then we can call it as a implementation. Implementation means the client data is already in the legacy system. That means old system. That should be your Excel sheet or Tally or any other system. Okay, now he wants to bring all the data from non-SAP legacy system to SAP S4HANA. And now he wants to continue posting everyday transactions in SAP S4HANA only after implementation. And he will close the legacy system. Okay, that is called as implementation. Implementation means client never used SAP earlier. Now he want to migrate to SAP S4HANA first time. And he wants to bring all the data which he has, he has client is already 10 years data, client has already 10 years data. Now as a consultant we have to bring all the data from non-SAP to SAP. Okay, and after completion of this implementation project, client use SAP S4HANA only, and he switch off the legacy system, he don't use. Okay, that is called as implementation projects. So most of the cases you will get implementation or support project. After implementation, support project will be started. So now we will give you the clear cut idea what is implementation project. Let's take one example. The client name is Jindal Private Limited, and almost all of the business is related to manufacturing of steel. He will manufacture the steel, and the same will be sale to customer. Client has 5 company codes located in different geographical locations. The same operations will go in Dubai and USA, Canada, India, and other areas. Total 5 company codes are there. The turnover is almost 2000 crores every year. Say legacy system currently he is using Tally Prime. So now he want to now the client Jindal Private Limited wants to migrate to SAP S4HANA. Okay. So client wants to move from legacy system to S4HANA. This is the requirement. Okay, and he wants to implement these modules. Okay, these are all modules need to implement SAP S4HANA FICO, MM, ST, PS, HSCM, PP, and QM. Okay, these are the modules need to implement. So he has given the turnover, and so Jindal Private Limited is the client. Business operations, manufacturing of steels. Okay, and he has 5 company codes. So this company code has plants. 10 plants are located in different locations, and turnover is almost 2000 crores. Legacy system he is using right now Tally Prime, and he want to switch from this legacy system to SAP S4HANA. This is the requirement. Now this Jindal Private Limited will approach to consulting companies. Consulting companies are implementation partners. Okay, they have all rights to implement SAP S4HANA because they are SAP partners mostly. And consulting partners should be tier 1, should be come from tier 1, tier 2. So like tier 1 TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, these are all things comes under tier 1. In tier 1, tier 2, Ash Technology and some other tech companies will comes under this category. Will come under this category. Now the question is, uh, so this Jindal Private Limited, so we'll ask these consulting companies to give the bid. The bid price has been set by this Jindal Private Limited company is 75 crores bid for SAP implementation, ERP implementation. So the Jindal Private Limited has set this price 75 crores to implement SAP S4HANA system for their business. And now, so this Jindal Private Limited bids offer quotation from some consulting companies. Okay, so this Jindal Private Limited approach to these consulting companies. These consulting companies need to check the business process of this Jindal Private Limited. Then they will fix the bid price. They will check the bid price and they will give the quotation. So then IBM sales team, higher level sales team, will directly go to this Jindal Private Limited location and head office. They will discuss Jindal Private Limited senior management, and so they will, and the IBM sales team and business leads will directly move to the Jindal Private Limited, and they will check their business process and any customizations are there, and how many company codes plans and financial last 10 financial statements. Okay, because these companies already exist 10 years back. So they will check the financial statements and they have some criteria. So how much bid they will give from the IBM? Okay, they will fix. Finally, this IBM Private Limited. So fix amount of this amount of quotation has been given to this Jindal Private Limited officially through email, and they have some breakup. Okay, so like how the 80 crores will be finalized, they have some breakup also there. And TCS will check the Jindal Private Limited business process and what modules need to implement and what is the bid price. So bid price means this is the budget. So this budget only Jindal Private Limited can spend for ERP implementation. Then TCS given this, okay, this 70 crores turn this 70 crores quotation. Then Cognizant 82 crores. So then S Technologies 75 crores has given. Okay, and how many like for completion of this ERP implementation, how many days required? So this will take 25 months, and this company will take 28 months. Okay, everyone given their bid everyone given their quotation. So these are the consulting partners of SAP. Okay, they are authorized to implement SAP, and they have right to buy the SAP license, and they can implement SAP S4HANA to any company. Okay, any non-SAP company. So they have exclusive rights. They are partners of SAP. That's the reason they can implement. So now the question will arise. So which company Jindal Private Limited will pick? Okay, so this IBM, TCS, Cogn depends. So whoever support more, and who which company is very friendly to this company, and based upon that they will pick and they will finalize. Okay, we cannot say this is providing low cost. That's the reason they will pick. No, not like that. Okay, they will pick TCS. So TCS has been shortlisted. For picking this company, they will check the background, because how many implementations they have successfully completed. Okay, and um, how many professionals are with this company, like certified consultants are there with this company. These are all discussions will be happened. Okay, initial stage. Then they will pick and choose. So TCS has been shortlisted right now. Now this TCS got one project. TCS client Jindal Private Limited, TCS got one SAP S4HANA implementation project. So now TCS will recruit SAP project manager first. The project manager again recruit project leads, all SAP FI leads, MM leads, ST leads. These project leads will recruit consultants, senior consultants, junior consultants. See, I'm not talking about only SAP FI project leads and senior consultants of FI. No. So here, how many modules need to implement SAP S4HANA, FI, CO, MM? All modules need to implement. Okay. So here, project manager will recruit project leads recruits SAP senior consultants, and junior consultants from all modules. So it depends upon the requirement. They will consider these consultants. Okay. So almost team will be around 100 and above, because for SAP FICO at least 4 members required, 4 to 5 members minimum requirement. SAP MM 4 to 5, SD 3 to 4, like that total team size will be around 100 and above. Okay, and ABAPers, basis consultants, security team, these are all will be recruited. Okay, total team size around 100 and above. Okay, this TCS is the payroll for all consultants and project manager, even delivery manager. Delivery manager will oversee, delivery manager and project manager will oversee the project status. Their duties need to finish up this project by 28 months. How much? 28 months. Okay. So they will need to give the reporting to this Jindal Private Limited on regular basis, and they need to give the status on everyday basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. They will update the status every time to the client Jindal Private Limited. Okay. So now you are SAP consultant, right? So after completion of this course, you have to hunt the jobs. So that time HR will call you. You have to upload your resume in the Naukri or some other job portals. From the job portals, recruiters will call you and they will tell you like this. So we have one SAP S4HANA end-to-end project. The duration is 28 months. Are you willing to relocate to Bangalore location? Then you can say yes, I'm ready to willing to Bangalore location. Then HR will ask you how many years of experience you have. So I have almost 4+ years of experience in SAP S4HANA, and they will ask you, tell me what are the how many end-to-end implementation projects that you handle, and how many support projects you handle, how many rollout projects they handle. Then I would say like that, like this. I handle two SAP S4HANA implementation projects and one support project in ECC. Total, I handle 3 projects, and my experience is 4 years in SAP S4HANA consultant. Now my designation is senior consultant. I'm getting currently 8 lakhs per annum, so I'm expecting so 12 lakhs or 13 lakhs per annum. So this amount of salary you would say. Then they will ask you, yes, if your profile is shortlisted, definitely our technical team will reach you out. So like that, they will cut the call. Okay. Then so once your profile is okay to them, and you will get a call from the TCS. Okay, and the senior consultants or lead consultant will directly make a call, and they will ask you the technical questions and they make some assessment. Once it is done, then your profile will be shortlisted. Then again one more technical round with the manager. Okay, and if managerial round is over, then maybe there may be chances of again getting one more round from the client or not. That depends. At least 2 technical rounds you will get, and one HR round. Total 3 rounds. Okay. So if you clear these 3 rounds with flying colors, then definitely you will get a project. Then TCS is the payroll of a payroll company for you, and client is Jindal Private Limited. For example, if you are in Hyderabad and your client location is Bangalore location, and initially said, I'm okay to relocate, then you have to relocate to the client location, or else some cases 3 days work from home, 3 days you need to come to office. That things also will be there that you can discuss during the call. Okay. So, like that, everyone, not only you, everyone will get a call from different leads. FICO team leads will make a call and they will recruit FICO consultants, senior consultants, junior consultants, whoever required. Senior leads will call and they will recruit consultant, ST, like that. The recruitment process will go on the initial stage. And this TCS Limited, this TCS has given bid cost 70 crores. Within this, they will get some profits, right? So margin is 20 to 30% margin they will expect for every project. Okay, so almost margin should be 30 to 40%. This TCS need to arrange SAP S4 HANA servers. Okay, and whether it should be on-premise or private cloud or public cloud depends upon the business process. This TCS will finalize whether on-premise is fit for their business. Okay, for Jindal Private Limited, definitely. So on-premise will suggest. If private cloud or public cloud is okay, their business, then they will suggest which is the best suitable option or choice for the this Jindal Private Limited. Now you guys understand it. So SAP S4 HANA has on-premise, private cloud, public cloud. On-premise means like own infrastructure. This TCS need to arrange SAP HANA database, S4 HANA software license, purchasing, everything. Like this TCS will recruit for installation of this SAP S4 HANA at the client location and arranging the basis team and arranging the ABAP team. So these are all things, own infrastructure, own staff, own maintenance, everything is on premise. If business is a very complex business and need so many customization part is there, definitely on premise should be preferred. On premise means own staff, own infrastructure, own This is completely customized. Okay, if business according to the business, this TCS will finalize which is the best suitable option in SAP S4HANA, whether it is on-premise or cloud or private cloud, public cloud. So public cloud is for small scale business. If the turnover is below 500 crores or 400 crores, okay. So and they your client need the implementation project. It should be completed in 6 or 7 months. The duration of the project will be very less than public cloud should be recommended. Okay, and duration of the project is long and more customization is there, and client need own infrastructure, own staff, and everything should be customized, not like standard copying the system. Then on-premise should be preferred. So like that, private cloud for large scale or mid-sized companies also, private cloud will be used if there is no more complexity, like business is not complex, and there is no more customizations are there. Okay, then private cloud should be used. So depends upon the requirement, which model is recommended, that the TCS will take care, and TCS will explain to the client. So for your business, the customization part is heavy, and so you need own arrangements like staff, infrastructure, everything. Yeah, you need to control. Then we are recommended this on-premise model. So private cloud, public cloud should be under SAP. Okay, that means your data should be client data will be in SAP control, not your control. Okay, so on-premise is own infrastructure, own staff, and your data is wholly responsible by you only. So you can control your data, you can manage your data. But for other cases, private cloud and public cloud, these things will be handled by SAP itself, and they will upgrade every month or every quarter, and they will take care all your data, and they will manage their own database system. So this is different, that is different. Okay, so we have deployment options are there. On-premise means heavy customization is the business process is, if business process has heavy customization, client need own control. Okay, not from SAP. Then on-premise should be recommended. Okay, private cloud means the entire data maintained by SAP itself. Okay, your database system will be maintained SAP. Okay, and there is no need to install your HANA database to SAP S4 HANA system. These are all taken care by SAP itself. All installation process will be taken care by SAP itself, and SAP your data will be managed by SAP itself. Okay, this is not your control. Okay. Patches and updates, everything will be taken care by so SAP itself. Here your responsibility. So you have to arrange own staff, own networks, own infrastructure, and you have to buy HANA database, and basis team will install the HANA database as for HANA. All installation process is the client risk. Okay, and the client will take care all this here. That means you are the responsible for that. So here, this your database, your installation process will be taken SAP, and all your database, all your database should be in the SAP control. Okay. So public cloud for small scale business, they want to implement within the small duration 5 to 6 months. Okay, and there is no customization is there. Then public cloud should be recommended. Okay. So no customization, no heavy customization. Okay, and if you want to complete project within 5 to 6 months, okay, then public cloud. That means the turnover is very less, okay, and no more heavy customizations. So customization means based upon the client requirement, we have to do some customization in SAP software with the help of the ABAPer. Some technical requirements will be there that we have to fulfill. Okay, we have to write G programs. That things will be taken care of ABAPer only, no worries. And here, as a functional consultant, what is your duty here? So you have to you are not participating in anything here. These are all things will be taken care by high level people. Okay, recruitment and all. So will be taken care by your senior members. So you just attend the call and complete your interview. Then once you shortlist, you will get the offer letter from this IBM TCS. Sorry, in TCS, and you have to move to the client location. That's it. Apart from this, your role is nothing. You cannot verify the client business process, and you cannot go to the client location and verify the business process. You cannot set this amount, okay, and 28 months duration. So these things will not be happen. Okay, you are only consultant. These things will be taken higher level management. Okay. So deployment option, these are all taken care by sales team, and business leads will come and check and which is the best model for their business. They will take care. Your role is nothing. Your role is nothing here. Okay. So these are the initial things happen before implementation. Okay. These are the initial things happen before implementation. So I also provided so which is the best suitable option to the client, to my clients. So which is the best option, like whether it is on premise, private cloud, public cloud. These things also inform to so many clients. Okay. So earlier we got one requirement. So I have given advice to my client, which is the best option for them. So I written email to the different SAP partners directly. Okay, and I also mentioned these things: company turnover, industry, users. I'll directly contact SAP for licensing. Okay, so I directly contacted. Written an email to india.salessap.com directly. Okay, I asked what is the SAP S4HANA cost for on-premise, private cloud, public cloud. This is my requirement, and this is my client. So I got one requirement earlier. That's the reason I'm telling you. Okay, and also I connected to the these teams. Okay, Siemens. Okay, so I asked as far as for HANA license. Okay, how much cost for this 250 course turnover business industry telecom? They want to implement SAP S4HANA. How many users? This cost, this S4HANA license cost depends upon the users. How many users Jindal Private Limited has users, right? How many users they will use S4HANA, based upon that license cost will be varied. See, for example, if the users are 60, then almost we can expect 1.5 crores to 2 crores only for license, installation, HANA database, etc. So SAP S4HANA cost is more, okay, almost 2 crores for installation, for HANA data, purchasing HANA database, and purchasing some hardware, software equipments, and arranging own staff, etc. For arranging network and database center. For all this will take almost 2 crores. Okay, I'm not including the implementation cost. I'm telling you only the servers, buying servers cost. Here you will get 1800 per 3 months. That is only educational server for practice. But real time, this server's cost will be more high, and getting the server is also not an easy. So definitely you become implementation partner, and you are at least done 2 or 3 implementation, and so you are from tier 1, tier 2 company, then you will get server access and purchasing hardware, software equipments from the SAP easily. or else if any company you started and you need SAP S4HANA license, then you should be the implementation partner, or else and you have good track record of implementing 2 3 projects at least. And so SAP will not give directly this server access to anyone. Okay, so SAP will give the server installation, server access, or whatever it may be, through third party companies like IBM, TCS. You can buy this software license, etc., from this ATAS and TCS as technologies. Okay, SAP directly sell the products to companies. Okay, you need to approach with these consulting companies. Everyone getting me what I'm saying? Everyone getting me what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. See guys, this is completely end-to-end implementation project. I'm telling you, these are the more important, and you didn't see these things in the companies also. You cannot learn anywhere. Okay, because what I am saying and mentioning, that is completely real time, and which I am faced, and based upon my experience and other things also adding here. That's the reason. So these things are very very crucial for you. Even you will not be participating anything here. You are not deploying. You are not participating in the which option is better for a client, or you are not recruiting anyone here. Okay, so and you are not involving into the setting the this cost, what we call quotation. We cannot see these things will take in high level management only. Your role is nothing in this. Your role is nothing in this. Okay, so now you guys understand that how the implementation project call will come. Okay, today I just discussed these things only. Okay, so how the implementation call will come. So you directly get a call from the TCS. Your payroll company is TCS. Every month, so your account will be credited. TCS will give the salary, and this Jindal Private Limited, you will work for Jindal Private Limited. Okay, so your client, once you recruit for TCS, so Jindal Private Limited is your client. Everyone getting what I'm saying? So, so you have to move to the Jindal Private Limited, okay, and then you have to move to the Jindal Private Limited, and then what next? So you have to do implementation for Jindal Private Limited. That is your duty. That's it. That is your duty. Okay, right? Any questions? Any questions? So today I just give an insight about how the project will come to you. Okay, and what is on premise, what is private cloud, what is public cloud. Okay, and how the project will be shortlisted. These are all discussions happen today. So tomorrow class, we will have detailed understanding about so how the implementation will done in the companies. Okay,
Sir, these are what we told is in the material it is.
so no material, I will share you right now material notes. Okay, these are the real time experience that we cannot make a material, but I will give you the rough notes. Okay.
In the app it is there, no? Some material.
Yeah, implementation project, everything is there. You can check over that. Okay.
No, while you are teaching that, can we take the print and all those things? Then that is better thing, no?
See, as I'm giving the notes to you, just to take a printout. Okay.
No, what you telling today we will
See,
teach
there is no
real
need
time
to no, there is no need of printout. Okay. Just these are the things you can copy in the Word file and check that. Okay. Because these kind of things will discuss so many areas, but there is every time you cannot take printout. Okay. So what you can do, just I shared the insight. So what you can do, just you do copy in the Word file. Okay, and this is the document. Just prepare this document. That's it, and highlight the areas which you want. Okay, and documentation preparation is also part of SAP consultant.
Why sir, this Teams app it is not open in the laptop? That is better to easy copy paste all those things on the Word document.
See, we cannot send the document directly to this Teams app because there is a problem, technical issue. The GB size is already exceeded, and that's the reason we are giving notes. You just copy paste. It will take only 5 minutes. It will not take 5 seconds only. Okay. So right now what I am doing, just doing copy and paste. Almost 5 seconds will take for this. And once you preparing, just highlight these things. As a consultant, you need to prepare the document to the client, and you have to demonstrate based upon this document to the end users. So this is also part of your duty. Okay. So just you copy like that and prepare the document, which will take 5 minutes only. If you spend 5 minutes time, this way it will you will have better document. Okay, okay, like that you can prepare this. Okay. See guys, this is today's session. Tomorrow I will explain how the implementation will happen in the companies. I will give you the brief idea, and meanwhile everyone need to complete registration process by today itself. By tomorrow only the paid students will be available in the group. No other students will be allowed. Okay, so we almost given 3 to 5 classes free, completely free, and just complete your registration by paying this to this number, and the fees etc. everything is given. Okay, if you have any further questions, contact to Babji sir or Kader sir immediately, and the payment number I also shared you. Only to this number you can make a payment, and do not make a payment to any other numbers. Okay, thank you all. See you next class.